How to create a travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So I'm going to teach you how you will be able to do this effect over here, where there will be an animation, as you can see, that would reveal your next travel destination. So first things first, let's start from scratch over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to first get your image of the place that you want to travel to. So earlier I used Japan. So this time let's go with Sweden. Click on graphics or photos and simply select an image that you like over here. For example, this one. Enlargen it like that, put it in the center. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to search for an airplane. If you search it in an airplane, then you can choose between photos or graphics depending on what type of design that you want. And we're going to look for a top view like this one over here. Going to make it face 90 degrees like that, and we're going to put it here for now. Next thing that we're going to search is a shape. Go to our all over here and get one of these boxes over here. Now you're simply going to select this and change it to whatever color that you want. So let's say something yellow over here. Then we're going to make it bigger. And what I would recommend that you do is you zoom out and make this very long, just like that. After that, you're going to have a duplicate over here, but this time this one will be extremely small. Well, not extremely, just reasonably small, and make it fit or align with your airplane, or like the wing of your airplane, just like this. I'm going to do the same over here below, like this. Make sure that you align it very well, just like that. Now you're going to click on your plane, click on layers, and bring it to the front, like that. So it's not centered a bit, so you're going to adjust it, make some adjustments. There we go. Now you're going to select all of these layers. You're going to right click and group. After grouping it, you're going to drag it to the left, just like that. And we're going to duplicate it. Duplicate page. Going back here, simply click on text over here. You could look for any type of font that you want. You could use your own font. But for us, let's go with something different from our example earlier. So for example, this one. Simply double click to change the content. So let's put in Sweden. And let's change our other text over here. Travel destination. There we go. Destination. That's a bit funky, but anyway, there we go. After this, you're going to click on your entire text and put an animation to this. You can choose between different options over here. Spread. We have to select the entire thing here to apply our effect. So we want the effect to occur on the entire thing. So anyway, you can choose block over here, whether it's on exit. Select our other text over here. Do the same thing. Block on exit. There we go. So we're going to make it a bit shorter over here. Let's go with 2.3 seconds. Now over here, you're going to select your page and you're going to simply drag it to the right until it reveals your destination, as you can see. Now what I would recommend that you guys put here is a text of Sweden, of course, like S, or like the name of the place, just like what I showed you earlier. I forgot to add that part. But anyway, the most important part now is you're going to click on add transition and click on match and move. That would allow you to have a very smooth transition. Then we're going to add duration over here, extended duration, so it's longer. So now if you play this, as you can see, we will now have that swoosh effect with our plane. You could make it shorter if you prefer, like instantly, but we didn't get to see that. Try it again. As you can see, so you could control how fast it goes in this area. So that's basically it. You can now easily share and download it. So if you guys want to be able to do the different things that we have done in today's video, click the link in the description below to get your free 30-day free trial on your Canva Pro. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.